Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to join the Partnerstack affiliate program and start earning commissions by promoting your favorite brands. Let's dive right in. Step 1 is to visit the Partnerstack website. First, go to partnerstack.com, and once you're on the homepage, you'll see two main options. Book a demo. This is mainly for business that wants to learn more about using Partnerstack, and login or signing up. If you're an affiliate looking to earn commissions, click login and then select sign up if you don't have an account yet. Step 2 is to create your account. Fill out the registration form with your credentials like first and last name, business email, phone number, company name. If you're an individual, just use your personal name, number, and employees. You can select just me if you're solo, and how you want to use Partnerstack, like choose affiliate or publisher. Once done, click sign up to proceed. Step 3 is to explore the affiliate marketplace. Once logged in, head to the marketplace section. Here you'll find different affiliate programs available across various industries. Click Explore Marketplace. Use filters like trending programs to find popular affiliate opportunities. You can also search for specific companies like Notion, Money.com, or Loom. Step 4 is to apply for an affiliate program. Choose a program that interests you. For example, if you want to promote Notion, click on the program. Read the details including commission rates, like for example up to 50% for new team upgrades, and then click Apply to Program. Fill out the required information. First is your name and email. 2, type of affiliate like blogger, influencer, content creator, and then your business name or website. 4th is the audience size. 5th is the promotion plan, how you plan to promote like social media, YouTube, blog, and more. Step 5 is to use Google Trends for market research like option but recommended. Before promoting, use Google Trends to analyze interest in your target product. Search for keywords like Notion for terms, set the region to worldwide or specific country. Analyze popularity streams to help create the marketing strategy. Step 6 is to track your earnings. Once your application is approved, head back to your dashboard. On a Partnerstack, to monitor clicks and referrals. Withdraw earnings via PayPal or Stripe, and then optimize your campaign based on performance metrics. And that's how you join and start earning with the Partnerstack affiliate program. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.